Yeah, everybody. Today it's just going to be a short video. Me and Dad have just been out putting in some fence posts for fencing off or splitting another paddock into half and making a bit more of a laneway, which I don't know, we'll show it in a later video. Just going to whack the drone up in the air and show you guys the new lambs. So they've been lambing for about 3 weeks, Dad?
Yeah, 4 weeks.
Yeah, about 3 or 4 weeks. So I haven't seen the main mob this week. I've only seen the small mob of 50 ewes that have the white Suffolk lambs now, or the Dohne cross white Suffolks. So just going to give a little update on them, and I'll put the drone up and we'll have a look at them. Obviously you can probably tell today's a nice day for once. It's not windy or raining or anything. It's probably going to be crap tomorrow.
A holiday because the old Queen gave us one.
Yeah, it's the National Day of Mourning, so there's a public holiday for the Queen in Australia anyway. So yeah, you guys in Australia will know what day it is. Yeah, so I'll give you over to Dad and he can give a bit of an update on the lambing and how they're going. I think there's been a few losses just with bad weather and such, so yeah, give you over to Dad.
Yeah, good day viewers. As Cam said, it's a glorious day here. We could do with a few more of these, like about a month or more really. Dry things out a bit and get grass happening. It's growing where you don't want it to grow, in the garden and in the lawn. It's starting to take off out in the paddocks. But yeah, as far as the lambing goes, well, the white Suffolk lambs, they're going all right. We've had a few twins. I don't think we've lost many in there. I've picked up 2, I think. I don't know whether Mother's picked up many in them, but got a couple of sets of twins in there and they're going all right. There's only a hatful of them left to lamb. And the Dohne ones out the back, well, there's quite a few there, even though we've lost a few with the just shocking weather we've had here, being raining all the time and it was cold, and it's only the last few days that the sun's come out and start to make things look a bit better. So I went round them this morning. There was probably half a dozen sets of twins and a couple of singles. I think Ange said there was a set of triplets born out there a week and a half or so ago. So yeah, there's still a few of them. So all in all, as far as the Dohnes go, we should have a fairly good lambing, numbers wise, which will be a bit of a difference compared to last year where they struggled a bit. They got a bit more grass and they've had the grain this year too, which has sort of helped them. So yeah, it's all looking pretty good. So we'll know more when we come to mark them in another month or so, I suppose, weather permitting. Hope it's a day like this. So anyway, I'll let you get back to Cam.
Yeah, so there you go. So I'll chuck the drone up and we'll send it out for a bit of a look at them. And yeah, as I said, this is all we're really going to have a look at today. It's just the lambs, just see what they're up to and show you guys how many's out there and whatever. So we'll get the drone up. So there you go, there was a quick fly around the ewes and the lambs. So the big mob out the back's obviously the Dohnes, and that smaller mob we looked at first was the Dohnes that have the white Suffolk over them. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll probably see a little bit more of the lambs in coming videos. And yeah, so before this plane come over and ruins everything, I'll catch you to the next one. Uru.